The Star Model 30 handgun comes with a little cleaning rod, a spare mag, a few implements, and a little screwdriver. And this is the factory box it comes in. This is a well-made all-steel firearm from the 80s and 90s. Getting a little harder to find. Guard civil or civil guard, so this was issued to the police. There's different variations of the grips, and also you can find different variations of the scroll on the slide. So this pistol, two 15-round magazines, has a ambi thumb safety here, adjustable sights, somewhat high vis, a dot and a white insert there. This pistol does have a magazine safety, so without the mag, the gun will not fire. It is single action, double action, and also there is a, if you want to call it, a half cock notch that allows that hammer to sit off the firing pin. You can lower that if you dare into that notch. So, and these guns are currently available from several different places, online retailers, and they're in excellent shape. There's a little bit of wear on them. I mean, they're used guns, but I mean, they're in really nice condition. Import markings are down here on the trigger guard. And this one, the serial numbers match one of the magazines. So I had the gun, the matching serial number. You know, if you're a CNR collector or just, you know, like collecting mil surplus or old handguns, this may be something to look into.